Have you ever dreamt of becoming an educator? Did you teach complex concepts to your friends during the exams? Then this is your chance to teach on India's largest learning platform. Unacademy Stars is an educator launchpad program. We're looking for 50 passionate and talented individuals who can help learners prepare for competitive exams such as UPSC CSE, IIT JEE, NEET UG, foundation exams, CAT, CA, GATE, and NET.
So, who can apply? Ambitious individuals who are passionate about teaching, including recent college graduates, educators, and professionals. All candidates have to be based out of Bangalore for 1 year.
What's in it for you? A 12-week training program by top educators like us, popular creators and industry experts, 1 year of working contract with a compensation of 10 LPA and performance-related payouts. Additional perks like MacBook and a cool joining kit, create structured educational content and reach millions of learners across the country.
Last and the most important question, कैसे होगा सिलेक्शन? हर एप्लीकेंट को एक 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस से गुजरना होगा। पहला स्टेप होगा जहां पर आप एक फॉर्म भरेंगे, जहां पर आप अपने टीचिंग इंटरेस्ट को शो करेंगे और अपनी सारी की सारी एजुकेशन डिटेल्स को फिल करेंगे। सेकंड होगा आपको अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स और टीचिंग स्किल्स एक वर्चुअल सेशन के थ्रू बतानी होगी। थर्ड राउंड होगा इंटरव्यू, जहां पर आप अपनी सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करेंगे।
Applications are now live on the Unacademy Stars website. Deadline to apply is June 17, 2024, 11:59 p.m. So apply today and we'll see you on the other side.